So Tammy's written some instructions and I'm going to follow them one step at a time. Let's have a look. So, how to make a sandwich. Things you need. I need jam, ham, 2 slices of bread, and a knife. Okay. Step 1. Put all the food on the table. Step 2. Get the jam and spread it on one of the slices. Spread some of it on one of the slices of bread.
With the knife! With the knife! With the knife!
It says get the jam and spread some of it on the slice of bread.
Knife!
Get 1 slice of ham.
No, stop!
Let me follow your instructions. Get 1 slice of ham. Oh, this is trickier than it sounds. And rip it up. And spread the ham on the jam.
No!
Put the other slice of bread on the slice of bread.
No!
There's your ham and jam sandwich.
No!
You need to lie 2 bits of bread on a plate or chopping board. Okay, so 2 bits of bread. Olivia, got to lie 2 bits of bread on a plate or a chopping board.
2 slices.
Third, you need to put a slice of ham on the 2 bits of bread.
It's like a wood.
Next, you need to put some pickle on the middle of the ham.
The middle of the ham.
We have to eat that. Susie, come away from the video.
Put some pickle in the middle of the ham. After that, you need to put half of the ham to one side and put the other bit of bread on top. Is there any more?
It's not bad.
Okay,
It's not bad. It's edible.
there's your ham and pickle sandwich. Get your plate and place the bread next to each other. So get my plate, place the bread next to each other. Butter each slice with a knife. Cover 1 slice of bread with peanut butter.
Hot, isn't it?
Cover 1 slice of bread with peanut butter. Place 1 slice on top of the other and cut the sandwich in half.
With a knife.
Get the jam
With a knife.
and spread
on one of the
some of it with a knife.
Let's have your instructions.
Some of it on the front. So I'd say that's the back. So I'm going to spread it on the front. Or was that?
It's up to you, really.
I very much doubt it. Oh, it's a fresh new one. How to make a peanut butter sandwich properly. Where do I put this?
In this one.
Get one slice of ham and rip it up. Okay, rip it up. Then spread the ham on the jammy slice of bread. I like it. So there's a jammy slice of bread. I'm going to spread the ham on the jammy slice of bread. Second,
You need to lay 2 bits of bread on a plate or chopping board. Third, you need to put a slice of
yeah, you need to put
ham.
no. It doesn't say a bit of ham. It says
Slice of ham.
a slice of ham. Yeah. So next you need to put a slice of ham
And a slice of ham
on the 2 bits of bread.
on the 2 bits of bread.
Getting closer. Place the 2 slices of bread next to each other on the plate. Place the 2 slices of bread next to each other on the plate.
That's what I read it.
Using a knife, the blade of it, not the handle. Using the blade of it, not the handle. Cover a face of bread with butter so none of it is left bare on the face. So, using a knife, the blade of it, not the handle, so I'm holding the blade, not the handle. Cover the face of the bread with the knife, making sure put the other slice of bread on the other slice of bread. Put the other slice of bread on the other slice of bread.
And have another go?
Yeah.
Okay.
So none of it is left bare on the face.
This is a waste of peanut butter. This is a waste of good peanut butter.
Just like you're not going to eat. Okay.
That's just not good.
Place them on top of each other. Using a knife, cover the butter on one of the slices with peanut butter so none of it is left. So using the knife, cover the bread, place them on top of each other so nothing is hanging out. Next you need to put some pickle in the middle of the ham.
You're just wasting ham.
You need to put some pickle in the middle of the ham.
Can't quite see that.
After that you need to put half of the ham to one side. And put the other bit of bread on top.
No.
And the pickle sandwich.
Not even science.
Using the blade. On one of the faces of the slice of bread. Okay. Yes. Face, not on both, but on one of the bits of bread. Next, using your knife blade.
Kind of wish I hadn't picked up a sharp knife now, you see.
Using your knife blade. That's Tamsin pouring some water, not having a wee. Oh, thank you. So using the blade of it, but holding the handle. Okay. Cover a face of the bread with butter so none of it is left bare on the face. Make sure to do this on both slices. So that's the first one done. So both slices. One slice of ham. And rip it with your hands. Then cover the face of bread with the ham on the jammy slice of bread. Cover the face of the bread with the jam on the jammy slice of bread. Cover the face of the jammy slice of bread. Put the other slice of bread on the other slice of bread to cover up all the jam and ham.
Yay! A jam
Jam and ham sandwich!
You may have lunch.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, you can have your lunch now. So I need to put the bread on top of the other bit. Ta-da! Ham a bit of sandwich. Thank you very much.
You may have your lunch.
You may have your lunch. On top of each other so nothing is hanging out. Ta-da! Welcome to the kitchen. I can't wait for you to make me a sandwich.
Erin, butter one side of your slice of bread and cover it in ham.
So butter. Sorry. Oh, I didn't say use margarine.
Olivia, cover one slice of bread with peanut butter using a knife.
Cover. Oh, you're going to do the face. That's good. So just cover it. Okay. Erin.
Covered it with peanut butter.
Erin, butter one side of your slice of bread and cover it in ham.
It's kind of like a...
No. That's
No,
not.
Tammy too.
That's not covering it in that
Tamsin.
area. Okay.
Tamsin, butter one side of your bread and assemble the Daddy triple decker sandwich.
Okay. I meant margarine, but I
You
didn't
just
say that
said
in the
butter
ingredient. So
one side of.
what could we butter one side of your bread with?
No, it just says
No,
Tammy.
what can we butter it with?
Tammy, it says butter one side of your bread.
And a knife.
With a knife.
With a knife.
Doesn't say what
Doesn't
with.
say a knife.
Doesn't say anything.
You have to use your fingers, Tammy. Tammy,
Tammy, you have to use your
Tammy.
fingers.
You have to butter the side of bread.
Fingers.
What are you going to butter it with?
But I didn't say.
Fingers.
But I didn't say knife.
No,
So you're gonna have to use your fingers.
she wants to use a pickle. She can use a
Oh.
pickle.
Yeah, I don't think my hand.
It seemed like such a good idea. And then. What was
And
the
then,
last?
and Tammy, and assemble the Daddy triple decker sandwich. No, it doesn't say how. It just says
It says
assemble the
it.
Daddy
So now you've got
triple
to make
decker.
the triple decker sandwich out of those three.
Oh,
Put the knife and the peanut
she's
butter
left the
on
knife
top.
in it.
I didn't foresee that happening. That's not
Right.
assembled. Assemble it. It's got to be together.
No!
Sammy, it's got to be together
The
somehow.
instructions didn't say.
So, God, there's a piece
Okay.
missing.
Still got a knife in it.
Yeah, he said with a knife. He said with a knife. You said with a knife.
You gonna have your dinner? Or do you want another go?
Lunchtime.
Thank you very much.
Don't eat the knife.
Careful, Steve.